Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new and viewing today's video. So, Sensational was super kind to send over 2 of their new units, part of their SHEAR MUSE collection. They sent over KIMORA and SALISHA. I'm going to start off with KIMORA, which I have in Crimson Red. And this is the bob formed unit. These units have HD lace, and they do have some lace around the hairline, and then you have your lace in your parting space. And this unit is strictly a middle part, and it also comes with some baby hairs. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually use my hot comb and just push all of the hair out of my face, because my first thought was I want to get this lace cut off and see what I'm working with, see if I'm going to need to add any makeup, any lace tint spray, or anything like that. So then the unit did come out of the packaging pretty crimped and bent and stuff, so I'm going to straighten out this unit with my flat iron. And yes, the synthetic wig does take heat, and it takes the heat very, very well, I shall say. I got actually almost every single piece pretty darn straight, so I was very, very appreciative of that. Initially I thought I was going to do some baby hairs. That was my thought. I saw the baby hairs that came with it, but I kind of passed on those today with this unit. I just wasn't feeling it. The color though, this Crimson Red is absolutely beautiful. This is a really, really pretty red color. I love the color of the wig. But you guys, I do have a slight few concerns with this wig. And just a disclaimer, this does not make the wig bad. It's just, it doesn't work for me. Okay? So, the first thing, I do not like that the unit is extremely short in the back and long in the front. I've never been a fan of that type of style. Those long bobs in the front, short in the back, not my thing, which is why you do not see that being exposed on my channel ever, because it's not my thing. The other thing was, I felt like this unit needed more hair. It needed more wefts, okay? This felt very, very thin for a bob. I feel like it needed to be a lot thicker than what it was, and it was not giving that. I also had to cut the ends because the ends were very, very scraggly versus being, just even. I'm not sure if I actually showed myself cutting it, but I did have to cut it because it was just not falling even, and I just couldn't even give a slow-mo without that. The texture is silky. I would have loved to have more of a yucky feel to it, but we can get past that. So that's really the main issues I had with the wig. So that doesn't make the wig bad. That might work for some people, but that's just what I noticed specifically about it. But other than that, I would say that the unit is beginner friendly, big head friendly. It fits good, and that's pretty much that. I didn't really have any other issues besides that. No shedding or anything like that either. So it was good. Rating wise, maybe a 7 out of 10 for me. The color makes up for it for sure. So now we're going to move on to SALISHA, which I have in Carrot Red. And this one definitely showed out. It's super duper long. Keep that in mind. This hair is long.com, okay? I'm a huge fan of how long it was. I really, really like the density of it as well. I didn't say about the one before this, but I did install both units actually glueless. I didn't use any type of holding spray. So with this one, I'm going to do the baby hairs and just add makeup to the parting space and stuff. So this color was really pretty. I was actually pretty nervous about it, I would have to say. when I saw the color, I was just like, how is this gonna work? But it turned out being very, very pretty. Make sure you go check out my pictures over on Insta, so you can see like this color out in the sun. It's giving, okay? So I actually really didn't have any cons about this one. If I had to point out anything that I would kind of be nervous about it with wearing it is the tangling. With it being so long, you know, that unit has more of a tendency to tangle up for sure, because even while I had it on for that short period, I had to brush it out quite a few times. But the good thing about, even though I had to brush it out, it was not shedding, which was great. I like that. It's big head friendly. You know, all the things that you would really look for in this unit, I feel like it pretty much had. With it being a long wig, it still had a good density to it. It is pretty silky. Keep that in mind as well. So that's really all I have to point out about the wig. Rating wise, you know, I like this one over KIMORA. So I think I would give this one like an 8.5 out of 10. The color is super duper beautiful. I feel like if I had this unit in just a regular black, I would be in LOVE for sure. You don't see me rocking color much because it makes me very, very nervous. But hopefully I will get the courage to wear this one out and about in public, because it is really pretty once it's fully installed. The baby hairs were giving. I definitely think that brought this unit to life as well. I like the fact that it comes with so many baby hairs, and then the lace space, because it really gives you that ability to make the unit look as natural as possible, make it look realistic. I'm also going to go in and add some makeup, of course, to my parting space and all that. I'll give you guys a 360 view and all that stuff. So yeah, have you guys tried out the SHEAR MUSE collection? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you going to try their Red Crush series, which they just have these units in a bunch of different red shades to try? I would definitely love to try more of SALISHA and their other red colors that are offered. So you guys let me know what you think about these two wigs, and if you've tried them, let me know your experience for sure in the comments. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you to Sensational for sending over today's wigs, and you know what, I'm pretty much done. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.